Hello, my name is Keith Pratt, Executive Director of Bishop Animal Shelter, and I'd like to explain to you how we're going to expand Bishop Animal Shelter, hopefully in the future. Right now, this is a map of Bishop itself, a 40-acre parcel of land in Bradenton. As you can see, we're proposing a new entrance and expanding the shelter, adding isolation, and hopefully an educational center. Right now, construction will begin within a week or two of the new entrance on 59th Street, directly across the street from Blake Hospital, to increase visibility of Bishop Animal Shelter. This will include a 22-foot high sign with a LED, hopefully, display in the middle. Right now, our existing shelter its capacity about 50 plus runs for dogs, isolation area, and one huge cattery. This is about 18,500 square feet, and we're planning to increase it by 5,000 square feet by hopefully to demo this area, which is failing electrical, plumbing, and things like that nature. This will be the result after it's all done, adding 104 runs to the existing 50 runs, a whole area for cats, for condos, a room for birds, rabbits, small animals, breeding rooms, live living rooms for dogs and cats when you first come in, exercise yards with AstroTurf, and then a whole new isolation area, which will increase the capacity twofold, adding from 20 runs in isolation to 40. A full surgical unit, which we have already, but enlarged that about 2 times. Isolation for cats. That's about it.